Hey guys, in today's video we're going to check out one of the best coffee maker. This Cuisinart DCC-3000 Coffee Maker is based on the results of years of research. In this video, we will measure its price, design, features and most importantly its quality. If you're looking for a coffee maker with affordable prices, then we have the right product for you with reasonable prices. Do check the link in the description below. Without any further delay, let's start. The Cuisinart DCC-3000 Coffee is one of those coffee making appliances that is fully automatic and capable of delivering coffee on demand, and it does it without making use of a carafe. This coffee maker makes use of coffee grinds, not capsules like K-cups, so it is also cheaper in the long run. The Cuisinart DCC-3000 maker is fitted with removable and separate reservoirs for coffee and water, which are both easy to clean. You can easily load the coffee reservoir with 12 5-ounce cups worth of coffee grinds. You will see that there is no deterioration of temperature or taste. The charcoal filter fits perfectly into the water tank and efficiently filters out all impurities. Included components: hot beverages, coffee machines, drip coffee makers. Coffee reservoir system. The most notable feature about the Cuisinart DCC-3000 Coffee Maker is the coffee reservoir system. Instead of using a standard carafe, the company engineered the brewer in the likeness of a dispenser. After the brewing process takes place within the coffee maker's enclosure, the coffee is then stored in a dual-walled reservoir. Additional fuel gauge and filters. The coffee maker also has a water reservoir that is removable for easy filling. It is fitted with a water filter made of charcoal for cleaner water and a flat filter, gold tone, for added convenience. You will also receive a pack of standard paper filters in the package for coffee without sediments. Programs and presets. The Cuisinart DCC-3000 Coffee Maker's programmability feature works exactly how it should function. All you need to do is set the time you want fresh coffee to be ready and the appliance will do the rest. If you are looking for a few cups of brewed coffee, you can use the 1 to 4 cup setting, which optimizes the water temperatures and steeping time for a smaller load. Drip tray. Removable drip tray under coffee dispenser. Cord length, 36 inches. Final thoughts. The Cuisinart DCC-3000 Coffee Maker is capable of making a lot of coffee and is fitted with a reservoir that is larger than other single servers. It is also equipped with a separate coffee reservoir where you can store brewed coffee for hours and without worrying about it going bad. The coffee maker also has features like the 1 to 4 cup setting and a charcoal filter that helps improve the overall flavor of the coffee. In short, this Cuisinart Coffee on Demand machine is an excellent machine that boasts of unmatched conveniences and packed with enough juice to brew approximately 12 cups of coffee. This appliance has been designed for coffee enthusiasts that do not want to mess around with carafes and filters each time the itch of caffeine kicks in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to get updates and information on the trending products. Your feedback is important to us. In the comment box, you can let us know what else we can add for you regarding Cuisinart DCC-3000 Coffee Maker. Which product interests you, and get updates, features, and details about it.